YouTube, just a really quick tutorial today to show you how to get free coins in DLS 25 or Dream League Soccer 2025. This is an awesome method working on iOS and Android, and just a pre-warning guys, this is going to completely ruin the game for you because you're going to think, what's the point in building coins and playing the game legit when you can just get unlimited free coins in DLS 25? So anyway, I'm going to show you this method, so don't come back and complain to me if you realize dominating the game sucks the enjoyment out of it. But anyway, I'm going to show you regardless. So you need to make sure you have the game installed on your phone, and if you're using an iPhone, also make sure your low power mode is turned off, so it's in the battery settings. You need to make sure your background app refresh is working. Now I'm going to show you how to go ahead and get this mod on your phone. So open up the internet and go to this website, wavyplugin.com. So Wavy plugin, there you go guys. This is an awesome app store. They have tons of different mods on here. You're looking for the DLS 25 mod for unlimited free coins and diamonds mod on iOS and Android. Click on that guys, and then go ahead and click on that orange button there. This is awesome, and like I said, this is working on both iPhone and Android. I'm using an iPhone, but yeah, it's just the same process regardless what device you use. And this is going to get you tons of free coins. So basically, this is a plugin installer that's going to appear. Now, this is basically a device verification. You need to follow the instructions on this screen to go ahead and get your free coins. So it says here, complete 2 of the tasks below to install your free plugin, blah, blah, blah. Follow the instructions. So you can see I've got a list of tasks here, and as it states, I just need to complete 2 of the tasks on this page, following the instructions to fully complete them. These are things like mobile games that I have to play to certain levels, or answering questions for surveys. Just complete 2 of these, and once you've done that, your plugin will be installed. So that is it, guys. Go to Wavy Plugin and search for the DLS 25 page. There is a search bar as well if you wish to use that, but yeah, make sure you can actually type and it will pop up. So that is how to get unlimited coins in DLS 25, and that is going to save you a bunch of money because I just know the coins are expensive. I've never actually purchased any coins, but if we just quickly check the in-app purchases here, come on. My eye-hand coordination is terrible. So you can see a cup of coins is around like $10 US. A cup probably doesn't get you much. I don't actually know how many that is going to get you, but this is going to get you unlimited coins if you follow the methods that you've seen in this video anyway. So enjoy guys, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Peace out.